Hi friends, this is Anna Hellman with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I'm broadcasting live to you today from Windmill Lane Farm. So this is where I used to live in Ohio, and when I moved to Indiana this past year, I turned this into a craft retreat. So you can see one of my favorite rooms behind us with the display wall with the scrapbook pages over here, and we've got a display case over here with cards and lots of fun little treat holders and 3D things. So we've been doing a lot of crafting here the last couple of days. On Thursday, we had round 1 of Stamp Camp. Later today, I have round 2 of Stamp Camp. And yesterday, I had my team retreat here, which was a lot of fun. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. And I thought I'd just share a little bit from our team retreat and what we did, and maybe a change or two that you're going to see coming as a result of some things we talked about. So it was a lot of fun. We did carry-in for lunch, so we had some delicious food. I got a new recipe for some amazing, like the best cookie bars I think I've ever had. And I think they only have 4 ingredients. Anyway, so that was exciting. We did make and takes. We shared ideas, we shared products, we brought our new products so we could try out some of the stamp sets from, other people if we didn't have those stamp sets. But we just really enjoyed getting together and catching up with each other. So I wanted to share with you a few of the projects we did. So I'll share, this was one, we didn't actually do this one as a make and take, but Carrie brought this as a card swap. That's something that Demonstrators do a lot of our events. We do card swaps. So we each make up, like I'll make up 20 of the same card, and then I'll go and swap with other people, and then I get to bring home 20 different cards from other people. So that's a Demonstrator thing that we like to do at our events. This one Eva made with a really cool technique where you put ink right on your stamping block, and then you spritz it with water, stamp it on there, and then I cannot remember the name of the stamp set yet, our new fern stamp set. Is it called Forever Greenery? Forever Fern, something like that. But that was a gorgeous card that Eva put together. Michelle made this really cute and fun and bright one with the Timeless Tropical set. I should say Michelle designed it and brought the materials, so we all got to make them ourselves, so that was fun. Denise put this one together. At the moment, I am not going to remember the name of that stamp set, but I love that Get Well greeting. That's a really nice one. This one Tanya designed with our new whale product suite. This one has a fun little opening. I'll show you how it opens. And now I'm dropping the rest of my cards on the floor, so I'll pick those up here in a second. But that was fun. Let's see, give me one moment. Here was the one, my daughter was here for a while, and Tanya told her that she can make her very own card. So she made this whale card all by herself. She's quite the little crafter. I don't know where she gets that from. This was the card design that the make and take that I had put together. Made a video on this one the other day with our prized peony. I'm still learning the names of all of these. Sweet. They were very scared of that set. I had a couple of them arguing with me that they did not want to do that because it looked intimidating. And turns out it wasn't as hard as it looked for any of you that are scared of that set. So I think that was my make and takes. Like I said, we shared stamp sets and got to use some of the ones that we didn't have in our own collection. This was a card. This was a little gatefold card. I'll probably do a video on this sometime, that I made with I believe it's called Queen Anne's Lace set, which is one that I do not have. Here are some little treats that I'd made up for all of my team members. I did a video on this last week, I believe, but this is the envelope card or the double pocket card. I forget what I called it, but so it ties shut, you open it up, and on this side, I'm not going to be good at opening this on camera. If I make a funny face, if I stick out my tongue a little, maybe it'll come out. I got a picture of my daughter making that whale card yesterday with her tongue sticking out. Like she's thinking really hard to make it work. So on one side is the little card that you can sign, And then on this side, when I showed you the one in my video, we did a gift card holder over on this side, or a little pocket for money or a check or a gift card. But you can put other things in there, a little seed packet. I've heard people mention maybe a hot chocolate packet or a soup packet or something small like that. So I had these for my team members. It was just a lot of fun. If you have ever thought about signing up with Stampin' Up, I would love to talk to you about it. If you haven't thought about it, you should. I said the other day when I was talking to people at my stamp camp, I have a healthy team of women who really like to purchase their supplies at a discount. And that's kind of how it starts. Over time, some of them decide that they want to do classes and some of the other things, but pretty much all of us start as just wanting to buy our things at a discount. So we have a really good sign-up special right now in June, but the special is always, the sign-up offer is always really good. So please contact me if you have any questions, and I hope to hear from you soon.